Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is carnivore bread. It's been a while since I've done a bread recipe, basically since the beginning of this channel. So now that we're in 2025, we're in a new year, I'm gonna bring you a new cream cheese carnivore recipe for bread. This is gonna be a go-to for you if you are on an animal-based, keto, or carnivore diet. Let's jump right in. All you're going to need is a blender, your ingredients, and a bread tin. We're gonna throw all of our ingredients into the blender. This is gonna make sure that our mixture is very smooth. I have all of my ingredients here in front of me. You're going to need 8 eggs, a quarter stick of butter. You can use salted or unsalted. I'm gonna use unsalted and then add a pinch of my own salt. You're also gonna need 8 ounces of cream cheese. This is just 1 block of cream cheese. You can use full fat, low fat, whatever you want. I like to use full fat. And you're going to need a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now, if you wanna make this purely carnivore, you can avoid using the vanilla extract. You don't need it. I just like the little bit hint of flavor, and I sort of do like an animal-based diet, so that's why I like to use the vanilla extract. We're gonna throw our eggs directly into the blender. Now that all 8 of our eggs are in our blender, we are going to add our cream cheese. You don't need to let the cream cheese rest at room temperature. I just took it straight out of the fridge. We're gonna add a quarter stick of butter. That is 4 tablespoons of butter. And lastly, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract if you're going to add it. I almost forgot also a pinch of salt. Now that my ingredients are in the blender, let's turn it on. Your mixture should be completely liquidy. It is really well blended. So now it's ready to go into our bread pan. My oven is preheating to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to take some butter and we are going to grease the inside of this pan. Just gonna take the butter and grease the inside. If you want, you could put some parchment paper in here too. That's fine as well, but I'm just gonna do it straight into the pan. Before I do this, I also take out the stick of butter. I let it sit out for about 5 minutes just to let it soften. If you want, you can also just use avocado oil spray, although that's not entirely carnivore. You could also use beef tallow spray or whatever your choice is to grease the pan. If you don't want to grease the pan, you can also just put in parchment paper. That will work as well. My pan is nice and greased. We're just gonna take our mixture and pour it directly in there. My oven is preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, so we're gonna throw this in the oven for 40 to 50 minutes to bake. And here is our delicious cream cheese carnivore bread. When it comes out straight from the oven, it's going to be a little bit more raised than it is right now, and it'll deflate, but that doesn't matter. If you wanted to put some baking powder in there, that would help it rise, but this is a purely carnivore recipe, so I avoided using that. Let's cut right into this. I'm gonna do a slice right from the center. Take a look at that. So fluffy, so moist. I cannot wait to try this. Look at that. Smells incredible. Cream cheese, eggs. I mean, really, you can't go wrong. Cheers. That is such a delicious treat. What I love to do with this bread is make it into French toast. If you're interested in seeing that recipe, make sure to comment down below French toast, and I will put out a video on how I make that. Thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Also hit that notification bell to never miss a tasty upload. Till next time.